Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm just moving these stones all the way down. So I just wanted to make sure that I have 2 wide plus another border piece like that one is enough to get me by my citrus trees. We'll come down and then go all the way down through here past my fans and my palms, so then they know what to finish off and how many Cantera stones to order. They're not light and not in this heat.
Need my help? How many of these are you moving?
Just these ones. I just want to make sure and have a look so I can show Solomon what I want to do and make sure they fit width-wise. Basically 2 stones wide with a border of these ones sitting straight like here. These ones will be kind of garbage probably. Keeps me just about a foot off of my roots all the way down. So it allows me to go down, keep all that stuff growing. I can do garden box on the other side, and I can run 2 stones all the way down, and that'll give me a nice walkway. I'll do a step down here into here, and then I'll tie it into, this will all get revamped at some time. Not too worried about it right now. I just want to get the walkway back in because you don't want to be, in case there's any thorns or the little black ants down here, they sting pretty good and a thorn always hurts. So it's nice to have the walkways when you're motoring around. So yeah, we'll just tie it into, step down and tie it into here, and it'll go all the way out. Past here, past the grass and my coconut palms, out here, and then when we get to here, I'm gonna go right here to the post, and off the other side, go around to come around to the outdoor shower and around to this cactus, and then continue going out, line up with that wall, and then the other one will come down into here, and we'll make a box around this, and then we'll probably move these over, and then we'll continue going out. So, bye babe.
Hi. We have a squeegee.
A squeegee? Like, what do you mean, like a window squeegee?
Yeah, that pushes the water off.
Oh, there might be a mop in that out here. I can check. It's coming. Did a little bit of planting today. Got some other stuff put in from the local nursery, so that was cool. Some more agaves, bought a couple birds of paradise. Yeah, and then my palm, it poured here the last couple nights, just thunderstormed like crazy, which was really good. So everything's nice and green and lush and growing. My bananas, and there's more of them coming. So, and my citrus trees right here. But she's coming, all in due time, but it's fun. As soon as he saw me,
Ran.
as soon as I ducked right in, I even went around too. Oh, let's get a little bit of water onto this stuff. So happy I found that little baby banana plant in there. We have so many bananas in pajamas. Oh. Hello, banana plant. Nice, because in the afternoon everything's shaded over here. Gives everything a chance to grow without getting burned. That's the thing, you want things to shade other things while you're growing down here. You want things definitely shaded until they get to the point where they can grow on their own. If you tear down all the stuff, which people do make that mistake where they just cut everything down, you use it as protection against anything else, because you can get other small things growing, and then when they're ready to go on their own, they're good. So coconut palms look good. I think these things started out and they were like 6 inches high a year ago. They take about 5 years to get about the size of my lime trees, which will be good. And then they'll start yielding. So my goal is to have them up along the edge of the roof, because I can actually then just walk out the edge of my roof and pick them. And that'll be so much more handy than, I wonder. We'll do the other agave. And then it's a swim and a surf, cool down. This week hasn't really been a relaxing week. It's been a lot of work. So, yeah. So make sure to stay tuned for that. Like and subscribe. Hit the alert if you want to. And yeah, we'll see you in the next one. You.